How to fix LinkedIn app crashing. To fix LinkedIn app crashing, you could start with a simple restart of your device. So hold on to your side button and then you could go and restart your device. That should also help you out. After restarting, try launching the LinkedIn app and see whether the app has been fixed or not. If the issue still persists on, you go to the settings on your device. There, you open up app section and locate LinkedIn from the list. After which, you want to make sure to go to storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache. This should also definitely help you out. Next, you want to make sure to go ahead and open up your app store and tap on the search and type in LinkedIn and check for an update as well. Now that you've done all of these steps and you're still unable to fix, open a LinkedIn app onto your device. There, tap the profile from the very top left corner of the screen and go to settings. After which, you want to make sure to go to data privacy. Here, you could go ahead and clear your search history as well as you could delete your data. And this is how you're supposed to fix LinkedIn app crashing. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.